Hi guys, it's Preston and I'm back, and today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to be more productive. See, I run two companies. I run a demolition and hauling company and I run a real estate investment company. So, I'm always doing something, whether it be working my part-time job or working my company, doing something around the house, anything like that. So, number one would be have a calendar. Put the calendar down, write what you need on the calendar. Obviously, it's a new month, and I haven't put too much on this calendar because I'm not sure what the month holds yet. But I do put down on my weekly thing every day that I work, every day that I have meetings, anything like that. My second tip would be to write down a basic to do list. I like loose leaf paper because I can pull it out, write on it, and throw it away when I'm done after I get done finishing all of the stuff that I got to do, all of my to-dos. Um Really, I like to go in depth as much as possible when I'm writing out my to-do lists just so I have a good thought. Hey, this is exactly what I got to do. I got to cut the board and I got to route it out to do what I got to do or whatever. Say I got to paint my trim. I got four things to do on this little list so far today, and it's not even noon. Just now noon. So yeah, just make a good list and go through your list, cross some things off once they're done, and you'll be way more productive instead of just going your day to day and not having any list to go by, any thing to follow to know that you're doing the right steps, the work that you need to be doing, per se, to get the things done you need to get done to progress farther in your life or your business, whatever that may be. And with all that, I'm just, when you go to start something, if you don't know how or you don't think you can do it, just go for it, do it, start it, and keep going, and you will eventually figure it out. You figure out more when you are up against the wall. You have no way to turn back. So you're going to learn how to do that, or you're going to make a mistake and still learn, which either way, learning is the best thing you can ask for, in my opinion. Well, I believe that's about it, guys. I'm gonna be posting another video building a router table, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this building and development underway, guys.